Okay, I'm going to start my walk. Right here behind these doors is the corner of Animator's Palate. And if you go to the back side of Animator's Palate, there's actually a set of stairs. This here is on the Disney Wonder. Animator's Palate is on deck 4 at the aft of the ship. And you see these stairs, so you don't have to go in the front door, especially during the hours that they are serving. You can go up these stairs. Now these steps, as you will see, are pretty steep actually, but they get you up in a hurry. So we were on 4. We're walking up. And we're now on deck 5. Deck 5, if you look down this little hallway here, this little hallway is to a set of rooms that goes forward. On the other side, there will be that as well as the back side. Well, right there's not. Let's see right here. It says crew members only. And there's a couple of rooms back here. That's unique. It's a unique little cove with your own rooms. You can see there on the other side of Animators coming up as well. And then you start going up again. We're at deck 5 right now. So let's take this fairly steep set of stairs and we'll walk this up. And you end up at deck 6. So you're up here at deck 6 at the rear of the ship. It's behind the elevators. It's not really the same thing. You can see here there's some cool little coves of rooms that you can go to and then go towards the front of the ship, and it's on both sides. Fairly steep. Started out at 4, 5, 6, and now we can walk up to deck 7. That's what I'm doing right here. Again, very steep, I will tell you that. If we pull back and kind of go down, you can see the stairs way down in there. So we're now on deck 7. The room we're in is actually right around the corner here on deck 7. Both sides. So we're at the aft again, and we're going to walk up another set to deck 8. So we're going up to 8. Very steep. But I'd say these are very useful at certain times. Hey, how you doing? So you can see it's just a normal hallway here at the aft of the ship. There's a cool little cove right here of just a few rooms. There used to be a secret balcony back here. It's my understanding that does no longer exist. All these doors, if you notice, says crew member protected area. We're not supposed to be going in there, so we don't go in there, but something for you to consider. Now we've gone up from deck 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to deck 8. Here we are at deck 8, and if you come off and you go towards the starboard side, you see another little hallway. This little hallway, if you notice here, says to deck 9 pool deck and cabanas. So let's walk this. If you notice, you're starting to hear more sound, more noise, and it's yet another set of stairs. You're going to end up right up at cabanas. Hey. Welcome.